TechQuest to me is networking with other people, learning the new products that Hyland has to offer to us, giving us a little more knowledge about the products that we already have, so we're able to take that information back to the office and put it into motion immediately.
There's engineers from Hyland that are here that can help a lot with understanding things.
My goal was to come and take the Hyland Cloud classes and also talk to system administrators who are working in the cloud or maybe just migrated to the cloud to learn about their experience. So that way, when we start our project, I have some knowledge to work with and also give me an idea of what to expect. So that way, I'm not hearing everything for the first time. I already have ideas about what we need to do when we get started. That was my goal for this, and so far TechQuest has helped me accomplish that.